Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is a very, I think it will be a very quick iHerb haul video because this time I only bought few pieces. Yeah, I suddenly find out I am running out of eye cream. So that's why I quickly made a repurchase from iHerb. So this time I chose a free shipping one to New Zealand, which is, I chose the fast way delivery. It's a free shipping. If I chose DHL, it will be $12 New Zealand dollars, I think. So if you are, because previously I never tried Fastway before. This is my first time. And previously I always use DHL, and their service is super good and super fast. But I have to pay $12 this time. And Fastway, the delivery day will take like a couple of days more than DHL. So I chose Fastway and at the end because I don't want to pay shipping costs. My experience, Fastway is good as well. So the delivery time, it takes a little bit longer. Usually, if I order in the weekend, I usually receive it the following Thursday. So, but this one, I have to wait for the whole week. I placed the order in the weekend. I think it was a Sunday. So I waited the whole week the next week. And then I received the parcel on Monday, I think. They left the parcel outside my house on Monday. To be honest, I can wait for a few more days if I can save like $12. That's quite a lot that I can buy something else to try. So overall, the first experience with Fastway is good. So what I purchased this time, I think I managed to have 2 new products this time. But overall, I didn't buy much. I just buy a few pieces. So you see, it's just a small box. So as usual, let me start from the repeat item first. As you could see from the box just now, of course, I purchased Kurt's Custody, and this time I only bought 3 pieces because I bought quite a lot last time. I think I still have few pieces at home, but since I'm making the order, so I just put a few pieces into this order, so I don't have to like running out this soap and then have to make another urgent reorder. So I purchased the 3 this time. And then this is the product that I ran out. So I have to make a reorder. So I bought 2 this time. This is Leader's eye cream. So overall, I'm quite happy with this eye cream so far. And actually, I can get this one from the local organic shop. But I think they are selling few dollars more than from iHerb. So since the shipping is free and I mean it's so convenient to order from iHerb, so that's why I just buy it from iHerb instead of going to the organic shop and save a few more dollars. So I bought 2 boxes. One is for my mom and one for myself. If you watch my iHerb haul recently, you might not see that I purchased this product before because I bought this one quite a while ago. It was a long time ago, I think. This is ACURE day cream. So they changed the packaging. I bought this one just for my brother. I'm not using this day cream at the moment. I'm using Leaders at the moment. So I bought this one for my brother because this one is not expensive. ACURE is a very affordable organic brand. Our local organic shops, one of the biggest, they started stocking this brand now, but it's a lot more expensive than iHerb for this product. Therefore, I bought it from iHerb. So this one is a very simple. I can't remember why I buy this one, but I think it was a very simple ingredient day cream. So if someone just wants some moisturizer, you can with good ingredients, you can consider this one. And also from on the box, you can see they are free of lots of bad things from the product. The new packaging is a little bit funny, to be honest. I like the old packaging more. Okay, another, oh, this is actually not a repeat purchase. This is actually a new purchase. What is this? But I am using this one now. But I bought it from the organic shop 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, it is that long. So for this tiny bit, you can last it for a very long time. This is crystal mineral deodorant stick. So it's like those, you know, crystal rock. And then I open it for you. So this is the smallest size. It's a travel size, I think. So it's you see, it's just this big. It's like a crystal stick. How you use it? You just use the tap water, wet it, and then you just put it under the armpit, and then it works. I mean, it works moderately. It is not like super strong. If you don't have that much problem, this one is quite good. So I use it sometimes. It's not on a very hot day, on a like winter time now. So and it is very convenient. And for this one, it is amazingly last long. Of course, I'm not like having only one deodorant. I have, if you watch my video, I'm making my own. I use First Day Plantation, and I also use some other brands, natural brands. So I just mix all of them together. So this one, I think it will last me for a very long time. And for my old one, I actually want to show you my old one. This is my old one. I bought it like, I think 4 or 5 years ago. And even, you see, even though I've been using for that long, it is still lasts. I mean, I still have quite a bit left. But why I need to change it? Just because I accidentally drop it on the floor. You have to be very careful. Don't drop it on the floor, otherwise it breaks. So I drop it on the floor twice. So it became like that. So the top part is getting very unevenly rocky. So I can't apply it. I mean, you can still apply it if you want, but I just don't feel good, and then I don't like those sharpening points at the top. So I worry that it will break the skin under my arm. So that's why I decided to buy another one. And plus I've been using this one for more than 4 years. I reckon it is a time to change a new one for the hygiene reason. So this one changed the packaging a little bit, but still the same size. So another new product is this product. This is Desert Essence Organic Green Apple and Ginger Shampoo. So Desert Essence is a very good brand. It is very affordable. It is a very affordable natural organic brand. But sometimes their quality might not be what you expected or what you like or what you want. But I don't mean that their quality is not good. Just like the texture sometimes is not what you want. So, but overall the ingredients are very good. I tried their few of their products before. So why I suddenly buy this one? Just because I find out that actually ginger can help to regrow the hair. So I want to have more hair. I mean, I'm getting like I mean, my hair is really thin, so I want to grow more hair if I can, in a natural way. So I was searching on iHerb, and then I find this one, and it is very good price. I think it's just like about $10 New Zealand. It's about like $9 US or something. It's a very affordable product. So I hope that it works though. Okay, and the last product is this one. This is Simply Organic Garlic Powder. So if you watch my iHerb haul video, I think I bought their everyday blend, like a spice last time, last time, I think in my last iHerb haul, or the one before last one. I can't remember, just recently. So that everyday blend I like it very much. So actually it is not like I really need some garlic powder. I want to start stocking this brand's product. That's why from now on I may buy one new product from every of my future shipment. So I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm confident in this brand. I'm so excited. So okay, that's all for this iHerb haul video. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.